very important is the time period. आता एक form, एक application of Griha Aadhar or Ladli Lakshmi inward केले. From the date of inward, what is the time period of sanction? That I think Honorable Minister should tell in his demand. कितले दीस लागता, कितले महिने लागता to sanction. ना जाल्यार ती पडलेलीच आसता application till somebody from the office comes and hunts for it. आनी खूब पावटी incomplete म्हणून दवरतात आनी थंयसरूच दवरतात. So the inward clerk should check that all the documents are there before inwarding, taking the documents. Till then you should not take only, otherwise it becomes unnecessary delay in sanctioning of that application. Secondly, I think you all should coordinate with the social welfare department. I'm again repeating what I had spoken to during DSS social welfare demand. जेन्ना एक महिला विधवा जाता नाजाल्यार ती then she from Griha Aadhar she goes to ask for DSS scheme, and at that time your department should not ask for cancellation. So DSS and the minister has already told cancellation poilech korche न्हू when the widow asks for grants under DSS scheme. Regarding Anganwadi schools, ते पहिले आमकां आमच्या बायलांक, see, this food is specially given to pregnant ladies or nursing ladies, and that's a time when they should get nutritious food. पहिले तांकां नाशणे मेवताले, मूंग मेवताले, गंव मेवताले, रायस मेवताले, दाल, तूर दाल मेवताले, आनी आतां तांकां सगळी ती पॅकेटांनी पावडर मेवता. I think audit has to be done. How many ladies are taking that packeted food? Nobody wants your packet food with preservatives. That's the time the lady, the baila, mahila, she needs nutritious food to feed her baby. I think what the government has done, giving that packet food with preservatives and God knows what powder it is, millet, whole food millet, पहिले दिताले तो हेच दिवचे आमचे महिलांक भयणीक, ते नाशणे मूग ते साकांनी येताले तेच बरे हे पॅकेटांनी. Don't give them any preservatives. At least do an audit of how many ladies are taking it. See how many are lying waste over there. They don't want millet powder. They don't want that. Nobody wants powdered these. They want whole food. So please look into it. Secondly, the rent. 2,000 मेवता तांकां आनी पंचायत 3,000 total. हुंची only rich panchayats give around 1,000. मागीर 3,000 rent जाता. The poor panchayat, they don't give them anything. 2,000 तुका हुंयचोच रूम मेवना. मिनिमम धाकटुलो रूम 5,000. आमच्या गांवांनी, बारीक गांवांनी. सो 2-3 हजारांनी त्या रुमान जायत ना. माय रिक्वेस्ट वूड बी टू सी हुंयचे गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल आहा प्लेस करूंक जाता जाल्यार सरकारान पयशे मोडचे आनी तांकां आनी एक 2 सेपरेट रूम हे करचे. One for to store their material, those food what comes, and one to for the students to sit. आमी कितलेच फावटी पयला आमच्या शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एकूच धाकटुलो रूम, तितूनच ते पॅकेटां आनी सगळीं मारलेली आनी तिसरूच सायडीक ती भुरगीं भरलेली आसता. इट्स अ सॉरी सायट टू सी. So I think our government should, the department should spend on this. And very necessary is the proper toilet facilities for the kids. And see that there are a sufficient number of teachers there. Ekuch bai sogleच शिकयतात. You know, if there are the number of students are more, the number of teachers should increase. Regarding this woman and child, Griha Aadhar, वी हॅव सीन बँक सीडिंग म्हणून कितें येयला ते एकटे महिला कडेन म्हणून तूं 4 अकावंट आहात. दे हॅव बीन नाव दॅट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. तांकां सांगलें ते कितें ऑनलायन हें कर, पिक्चर क्लिक कर आनी पणजे घेवन तो हे घेवन यो म्हणून दॅट पेपर वर्क ऑर दॅट प्रिंट आउट. This is, I think, unnecessary delay. If that lady has 4-5 accounts, I think jail is empaneled with you. Send them. ना जाल्यार तांकां आमचे आतां म्हणून तालुका वायज tell them to let the ladies come and give it in your MAPSA office instead of them coming to Panjim all the way. Or let your jail come in each house and do the survey, which is even better. Regarding फॉरेस्टाचें हांव फकत एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां, जेन्ना म्हण तूं TCP एंड फॉरेस्ट इज विथ द सेम डिपार्टमेंट, सो इट इज इवन बेटर. जेन्ना खंयच्याय जाग्याक तुमी टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स दिता फॉर कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स दितात, तेन्ना त्या जाग्यान कितलींच झाडां आसतात. सो मेक इट कंपल्सरी फॉर द ओनर ऑफ दॅट लँड to see that equal number, if not more, are replanted by him. Somewhere in his property, or tell them to replant. आमच्या पोर्रा, आमच्या अंजुना कितलीच दोंगर हा. Somewhere let them replant. Where is that? Where is the accountability of the trees what they are cutting? And the best thing is at the time of occupancy, at the time of completion order, your team can again go and see on the side where they have planted that. There is no accountability whatsoever regarding the trees cut in the area, in the place where you are giving the technical clearance and completion certificate. आणि मागीर म्हणटात आमी सगळे जानवरां गांवान येतात म्हणून. गांवान येतलीच इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गो ऑन नॉट चेकिंग दीस. Regarding the Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, I'm sure each one that there are these animals, and I'm following the minister on his Instagram. He visits so many wildlife sanctuaries and he puts beautiful pictures, and I know the love what you have for the animals. So ye je animals amcha Bondla Zoo or Wildlife Sanctuary what they are kept, my only request, they have no voice on their own, to keep them, give them more space, so that because they were born wild, they were born to be free, and we have caught them from wild and brought them and kept in the zoo, so keep them more space for them to move, and whatever how they are supposed to eat, don't give them those amche broiler chicken. They are all injected. आमी मनशां खातात, we knowingly we are eating. They are supposed to eat wild chicken, So don't give them anything what is injected, those broilers and all. See what other things you can do to see that they eat wild, and they are at least that food what they get is, and the space for them to move. Regarding TCP, my only request, and I would really thank you and the honorable minister. आमचे ते रुंबा क्लब येतालो आनी ते आमचे सगळे आसागांवचे लोक तुजे कडेन येयले आनी तुवें तेंचे ते रुंबा क्लबाचे टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स काडले. ताका लागून तुका चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ऑनरेबल CMकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.